Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, Not Your Ordinary Accountants, and these are our tidbits of today. And today's subject is evidence. Evidence is something that supports a claim or shows that the income that you have derived is what you have said that it is. You can't have too much evidence. When it comes to things that are not black and white, the more evidence you have to support your claim that something might very well be a tax deduction or might very well be a capital receipt rather than an income receipt, then you need to make sure that you've got it. The one thing that when it comes with evidence, that if it's not written, it didn't happen. You can't go to the tax department and say, well, here, there's an expense, I'm going to claim it as a tax deduction, I think it's an expense. I can tell you now, 9 times out of 10, the tax man will go line through that and write it back as an expense. If you don't have at least the receipt and where that expense claim might be a little grey, a little bit extra evidence, like that bottle of wine that you gave to your best client, the note showing, or a copy of the letter saying, here's the bottle of wine, thank you for your custom during the year, then you might very well struggle in an audit situation. If you have any problems with any of this sort of information, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Banks Consultancy, and one of our trained consultants will run you through what needs to be, what extra stuff you might think about having, and make sure that any deduction that you might claim or income that you might want to show as something different to normal income ends up being exactly what we want. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy, and we are Not Your Ordinary Accountants.